In this episode, we will discuss about how diabetes can affect your eye and can affect your vision. In diabetes, the lens of the eye often gets white, and this phenomenon is called cataract. Cataract develops earlier in patients who have diabetes, and once it develops, it progresses much faster than a normal healthy person. However, we are more concerned about certain blinding conditions that can be produced by diabetes. Most importantly, diabetic retinopathy. The retina is a light sensitive layer of the eyeball which collects all the light that falls on it and converts it into an electric signal that is then transmitted to the brain. The retina has blood vessels which supply it with nutrition and take away waste products. Just like other parts of the body, like the brain, the heart, and the kidneys, which also get affected in diabetes, the retinal blood vessels can also get damaged. It is actually a wonder of nature that the retinal blood vessels are the only vessels in the body which can actually be seen by the naked eye. So in diabetic patients, we often find that there are areas where the blood vessels are blocked, areas where the blood vessels actually burst and give rise to small bleeding spots in the retina, and also areas where cholesterol and other blood proteins start leaking out and spread into the retina, giving rise to retinal swelling. If you look carefully at the images, the image on the top right is that of a normal retina, and you can clearly see how the retinal blood vessels, seen as thin red lines, emerge from the optic nerve which is at the back of the eyeball. In the other images, you can see red spots scattered throughout the retina, which are actually signs of bleeding inside the retina. The golden yellow spots that you can see are those of cholesterol and other proteins that have collected in the retina. In severe cases, diabetic retinopathy can lead to blindness, and it is the leading cause of blindness in the Western world and is a very important cause of visual impairment for the future in India. In the early stages, diabetic retinopathy can be treated and vision can be preserved. Hence, it is very important to have a checkup of your retina at the time of diagnosis of diabetes and annually thereafter. If more severe stages of diabetic retinopathy are found, your retina specialist will advise either more frequent follow-ups or treatment. Treatment is either by doing retinal laser to destroy new blood vessels that result in bleeding and pulling of the retina, called retinal detachment, or it may be directed to reduce retinal swelling. This may involve use of injections which are given inside the eyeball, or by laser, or by various other drugs. It is very important to remember that diabetes can lead to blindness. You must have a retinal checkup and make sure that your eyes are saved from this dreaded complication. We hope you found this information useful. If you did so, please hit like or comment and share this information with your friends.